are going to sing in our different languages again, and we're going to greet. And we're going to do that by crossing our midline on our laps like this. Okay, so we're going to sing in English first. Are you guys ready? Yes? Yes. Okay. Good morning, good morning. We like to say good morning each happy day. Before we play, we like to say good morning. Okay, guys, give me a different language to greet in.
Goeiemorgen.
What language is that?
Afrikaans.
Afrikaans, okay.
Goeiemorgen.
Goeiemorgen. We like to say goeiemorgen each happy day. Before we play, we like to say goeiemorgen. And one more. Japanese. Okay. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. We like to say konnichiwa each happy day. Before we play, we like to say konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Good. Okay, take your hands. Put them in your lap. Okay. Kai, are you going to help me with the calendar today? Okay, will you come stand here by this black thing here? There we go. Okay, yesterday was Monday. What day comes after Monday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. So Kyle, will you take Monday off and put it here? What day comes after Monday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, it's Tuesday. Okay, let's sing the 7 days of the week song. And Kai, you're going to help us, okay? All right, hold up 7 fingers. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good. Yesterday was the 20th. What number comes after 20?
21.
21. So we need a 21. So we need a 2 on this side, Kai.
And a 1 on the other side.
We have 2 over here. And a 21. So go ahead and stand up. And we're going to stomp to 21. And Kai's going to help us and he's going to show us with his feet. He's going to stomp. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21! Good. And what month are we in?
April.
April. So we don't need to change that. And what year are we in?
2020
Yeah, good. And what season are we in?
Autumn.
Autumn. And Kai, what do you think the weather's like outside today?
It was sunny.
Sunny. Okay. So let's put on that sunny glasses there. And all of us say sunny.
Sunny.
Good. Okay, thank you, Kai. You can go sit. Okay, guys, we're getting back to our geography space theme, okay? And we're going to go over some of the things we've already done, and we're going to have 2 new activities today. One we're going to do on the mat with Teacher Mary, and one that Teacher Maxine has decided to do with you guys today, okay? So, we talked about last week, we talked that we live in the universe. And we squashed our Play-Doh out flat. And what did we make?
Universe.
The universe. Yes, we made a universe and we made galaxy Play-Doh with all kinds of little planets and stuff inside it. Then we spoke about the Milky Way. And what shape is the Milky Way?
In a spiral.
It's in a spiral. We made a spiral with our Play-Doh. Now inside the Milky Way galaxy is our solar system. And in our solar system, we have different planets. And we live on planet Earth. Good. So Teacher Mary wants to show you something today. Does anybody know what's that big, hot thing in the sky?
The sun.
The sun. Now all of our planets in the solar system revolve around the sun. So you're going to get some yellow Play-Doh or any color Play-Doh you have. And you're gonna pretend that it's the sun. You're gonna make a sphere. Can you guys say sphere?
Sphere.
Because the sun is a big, hot ball of gas that warms the earth up. So there's our sphere. We're gonna push it in the middle and we're gonna make it stick. That's our sun. It's in the center of our solar system. Now I don't have 8 planets, I only have 3, but that's okay. If you guys only have 2 or 3 at home, you can use that. If you don't have marbles, you can use bouncy balls. So you're gonna put the marbles in and we're gonna make them rotate around the sun. Okay. Now we're gonna take it one step up and we're gonna turn this into a craft. We're gonna get some black paint. Talon's gonna give me some black paint. Thank you, Talon. And we're gonna put our planets in the black paint. Okay, before Teacher Mary makes a huge mess, let's get a table mat. There we go. There, okay. So we gotta put those around in that black paint and make them all messy and yucky. Okay? And then you're gonna take a fork. It's the easiest way to keep your fingers clean. And you're gonna just jump them right out of there. 1, 2, 3. Now you're gonna make those planets rotate around the sun again. And when it does it, it's gonna make a circle, a semicircle, a rotational circle around the sun. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be cool. So it goes around and around and around and around. You're gonna do that a couple times to get those lines going for the rotation of the planets. Good, now when you're all done making those lines, you're gonna take your little marbles out, which are your planets, throw them back in. You're gonna take the sun out, put the sun away. Then you're gonna take your paper out of your box. You're gonna put it like this. Now we have 8 planets in our solar system. So Talon, will you hand me the watercolor paint and the water? Okay, and I'm gonna use my fingers for this because I think it's gonna be easier. Talon. Okay. So you're gonna dip your fingers in the water, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make the yellow sun in the middle. Put your yellow sun in the middle. There we go. And it's a big hot ball of gas that keeps everything warm. And we need 8 planets. So you're gonna dip your finger in the water again. You're gonna count for me. I'm gonna do the first one, pink. So 1. Dip again. 2. Again. 3. Again. 4. And then that's 4 on this side, and then I'm going to put 4 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's count our planets all together. Remember, the one in the middle is the sun. Let's make him bigger so we can tell that he's the sun. The big ball of gas in the middle. There's the sun. Okay, so let's count our planets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are our 8 planets, and this is the sun in the middle. Now, we said our sun warms up planet Earth. And planet Earth is the only planet in the solar system that's warm enough, and it's the exact temperature for life. So it has humans, it has animals, it has plants, it has air, it has such a cool atmosphere, and it's very special. Earth is the only one that's like that. So I want you guys to try this activity at home with your sun in the middle and the 8 planets on the outside, and remember the planets go around and around and around the sun. Okay, all right. You're gonna take your hands, you're gonna put them in your lap, and we have one more song to sing before we end today. And it's The Earth Goes Round the Sun. When we do our birthday ring, we sing The Earth Goes Round the Sun. So you guys are gonna sing it with me now and pretend the planets are going around the sun. You guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. The earth goes round the sun. The earth goes round the sun. 365 days. The earth goes round the sun. Good job. Okay, let's try it one more time. The earth goes round the sun. The earth goes round the sun. 365 days. The earth goes round the sun. Very good. Okay, guys. Now when we're on planet Earth and it gets dark at night, what do we see up in the sky?
Stars.
Stars. Now Teacher Maxine has a very, very special craft that Mommy and Daddy's going to have to help you with. And it has to do with the stars. So just now, you're going to see Teacher Maxine, and you guys are going to make another cool craft with Teacher Maxine.
Hello everyone! The theme we are doing today is space, and the thing I love about space is stars. You don't see the stars every day, so I'm going to make something that you can see stars in your own room. So what you need is your clear jar, spare scissors, tin foil, and if you want, your star constellations. Now the star constellations are stars that outshine other stars, and they form shapes in the sky that people used to tell stories about. And you need your fairy lights. And to make the stars, you need your needle. Please be careful with the needle, it's very sharp. If you don't have a needle, you can use a drawing pin. Okay, and I'll show you now how to make it. Okay, so to start your star jar, you need your tin foil, which you can roll out, and then you have to measure the foil of how much you need to put into the jar. So there's the base and the jar will end there. So I should cut from there, and then we have to measure and it should end there. You can ask your mommy and daddy to help you cut if you can't cut, or just ask mommy and daddy to measure for you. So every jar is different, so every piece of foil will be different as well to put into the jar. So you just need to make sure it will fit into the jar. So if you roll it into a cylinder, because the top is round, you'll see it will actually fit inside the jar. Which it does. Okay, the next thing you need to do, if you don't have any sponge or anything, you can take a pillow that your mom and dad won't mind you poking holes in. You take your constellations and you choose which constellation you'd like, and then you take your needle and then you poke holes of where the big stars are going to be for your constellations. If you don't have constellation, it's okay. You can just poke a lot of holes into your foil. They'll still look like stars. Now just remember, the sun is also a star. A big hot ball of gas that shines and gives the earth warmth. the other stars we see in the sky are just big balls of gas that shine brightly for us. So when you have as much as you like, the constellation, you just make the holes a little bit bigger. Remember, they will shine brighter than all the other stars. Fun fact, people long ago that didn't have compasses relied on the stars for navigation, like in Moana. They had to go travel the seas, but they didn't have a compass. They had to look at the stars for directions. Okay, when you're done with your constellations, then you can go on and just poke holes everywhere in the foil. Okay, so it's night time now. Now we're going to see what our stars look like in our jar. There we have it.
Guys, thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed the star craft that you did with Teacher Maxine. I hope you turn it on tonight and you get to see the constellations all over your room. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and have a wonderful day. Bye!
Bye.